In this video, we'll discuss the radius mapping tool in ITICnxt. The radius tool lets you create circular excavation entities of various sizes. This tool is intended for jobs such as planting trees, installing road signs, or removing utility poles. Select the Radius tool from the Drawing Tools menu. Before placing a radius entity on the map, you'll need to enter a size in feet and provide a physical reference point, like a pole or a white stake. Once you have entered the required information, click on the center of the excavation area to place the radius excavation entity. You may continue placing radius entities on the map. Don't forget to change the size or reference point if necessary. ITICnxt will automatically derive marking instructions from your mapping. Thanks for watching.